Royal Challengers Bangalore need to overhaul their bowling attack, having released Wanindu Hasaranga, recent ODI World Cup winner Josh Hazlewood, David Willey, and Wayne Parnell. They retained England left-arm quick Reece Topley, but he is prone to injuries. Mohammed Siraj is the only certain starter among bowlers in their list of retained players, and they have traded in green from Mumbai. Wanindu Hasaranga, Harshal Patel, Josh Hazlewood, Finn Allen, Michael Bracewell, David Willey, Wayne Parnell, Sonu Yadav, Avinash Singh, Siddharth Kaul, Kedar Jadhav. Shahbaz Ahmed players traded in Mayank Dagger, Cameron Green, Faf du Plessis, Rajat Patidar, Virat Kohli, Anuj Rawat, Dinesh Karthik, Suyash Prabhudesai, Will Jacks, Glenn Maxwell, Mahipal Lamra, Karn Sharma, Manoj Bondage, Akash Deep, Mohammed Siraj, Reece Topley, Himanshu Sharma, Rajan Kumar, Vishak Vijay Kumar. Purse for the auction 23.25 Cr.